afternoon, everyone. Steve Georgia here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It's April 12th. We had kind of a wild day today in the grains. Started off strong. Same thing for corn, beans, and wheat. But corn finishing about a penny and a half higher. Beans up about 19 cents in the old crop, up about 13 3/4 for new crop. We needed to see a good gain today. We needed to see a good jump for beans. We were at the verge of breaking down below some support, and we saw that. Export sales today showing that we're still ahead of USDA's pace as far as beans. Still looking pretty good there. But also new sales today, 189,000 tons to unknown. Also China coming in, buying 115,000 tons of beans, and that was certainly added to the excitement this morning. We did have a stronger close. This is the strongest close that we've seen in the beans since September 9th of last year. So this is a pretty strong close. We'll see what they want to do with it here overnight and see where they take this. We'll see if we go up, try to test those highs that we had up around that 1252. Those were the highs that we had after the report had come out there on Tuesday. So as I mentioned, corn up only a penny and a half with wheat up 11. Guys expecting to see some pretty decent rains coming in here this weekend. We should be seeing some good rain in the areas that need it out there, so continue to watch for that, and we'll see if that does come true. But we've got the next 5 days. Looks like we could see some moisture come in some well-needed areas. The dollar today down about 51 cents. That dropped back pretty sharply, setting that at 79.47. Crude oil up 95 cents. At 103.65, finding a little bit of support there. That crude oil, we should find some resistance at this 104, 105 area yet, and maybe try to find us pull back into that $100 region again. But look for that. We've set up more of a sideways range right now in the crude, and we look for us to stay in that right now, unless we get some news that will change that. But as of right now, we're not seeing it. As far as the stock market, up 166 points, putting that at 12,910. Very strong yet, approaching that 13,000 level yet again. But with the dollar being down, we had the metals that were very strong. Gold up right now about 18 bucks. Silver up 86 cents, pushing higher for the week. If the dollar continues to break back, we could see metals continue to gain and try to push a little bit higher yet. But the most excitement today in the livestock. Fat cattle up about 255 in the Junes. Cash cattle steady from last week. But the big talks right now, Japan, are they going to come in and buy our beef or not? Right now that is in the process and going through the Food Safety Committee right now. Once that gets passed, we could see that. It's going to go to Congress. They still have to vote on it. So this is still on very early stages. But a lot of guys getting hyped up about this beef and pushing prices higher now that we've seen such a drastic decline from those highs. We're finding a pretty quick rebound right now. As far as hogs up 47 today in the June. Looking for a bottom coming in at these levels. As we've been mentioning for weeks, this is a time frame we typically see a seasonal bottom come in here for the hogs. We usually see some strength as we go through this month, and as we get into the summer months, we do feel that these hogs could have bottomed. We are looking for pullbacks right now as opportunities to come in and try to find ways to get long. The national price today did drop here this morning, down about 69 cents. Iowa, Minnesota down about a buck. But as I mentioned, on these pullbacks, we still feel that we could have bottomed in here, and we're looking for ways to get long. And a way that you could find out what we're trying to do and some of the trade ideas that we have, we've got a special right now on our research. If you've not checked out our research, now's the time to do it. We've got our planner special going on right now. It's $99. That's good till the end of next week. So act now. Get this done. You got 6 months of our research that you get to check out everything that we basically put out. It's a great opportunity for you, but that's going to give you a lot of the points that we're looking at, a lot of different trade recommendations that we have, but also just keep you up to date on what's going on. So check that out if you haven't done that right online, allendale-inc.com. You could also give us a call. We'd be glad to get that set up for you, 800-262-7938. And, certainly keep us in touch of what you guys are doing out there. I know a lot of you guys are going to get in the fields and start planting here soon. if you haven't done that already. But good luck out there. Give us a call with anything that you have, and we'll talk to you here tomorrow. Have yourself a great day.